Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to switch the camera shutter type on your Redmi Note 14. So I'm using the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, but the same steps should apply for the other Redmi Note 14 phones. All you have to do is simply launch the camera app on your device. So tap on the camera, and once you launch the camera, all you have to do is simply tap on this arrow at the top, and then from the options that appear, simply select shutter type. So tap on it, and then now you should see two options. You can either tap to take a photo, or you can use your voice to take a photo. So choose the one that you prefer. So let's say if you want to tap to take a photo. So once you go back, whenever you want to take a photo, you can simply tap on the screen, and that will take a photo. Now if you like to use the voice shutter option, all you have to do is simply select it, and then if you want to take a photo, all you have to say is cheese. As you can see, it has taken that particular photo. So simply say cheese, and a photo will be taken on your device. So that's basically how to switch the camera shutter type on the Redmi Note 14. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.